Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, ladies, for subscribing to my channel. I am really excited. Today is March 3rd, and tomorrow is my anniversary with these Sisterlocks. So I can say that it is the eve of my lockiversary. That sounds kind of funny, but I'm just excited about it. And I decided that I would just come this morning and talk to you a little bit, and I mean a little bit, just to let you know how excited I am to be a part of this wonderful Sisterlock circle and to be celebrating 1 year with Sisterlocks. Yeah, I am so excited. Whenever I run my fingers through my hair, I remember the time when I had to comb my hair. Answer this question for me. How long has it been since you combed your hair? Whatever you have to say to me as a comment in this video, just tell me, how long has it been since you had to comb or you combed your hair? This morning I just decided to wear a pop-up color in my necklace. Enjoy your day. I certainly will. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate you on my anniversary eve. Have a great day. It's the end of the day, and I had a very good day at work. Nothing was going to spoil my Locanniversary. Nothing was going to spoil my Locanniversary Eve. Nothing. Nothing. And I just wanted to come back and tell you that this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my subscribers. And I love God. Have a wonderful day. And be ready to subscribe somewhere up here. And also be ready to take a look at my playlist that will also be somewhere up there. Watch out for my anniversary, March 4th, Sisterlock anniversary video to come soon. And I'm going to call it March 4th because we're going to March 4th forward in this Sisterlock journey. Love you guys. Talk to you later.